Group Captain Gordon Bettington, and I'm the Head of Youth and STEM for the Royal Air Force. This is a fantastic opportunity for the Royal Air Force to inspire young people to get involved and engage with STEM subjects. So hopefully they will want to become engineers and scientists in the future.
Space Camp has been absolutely wonderful, and I've been so impressed with the level of engagement, the understanding, the commitment of the children that have been here, the variety of subjects they've been covering, from coding and looking at how a Mars rover would operate, to looking at how astronauts operate, using weightless by using the diving techniques. Utterly amazing.
I gained a lot of knowledge, mainly on the fact that it doesn't solely matter on how you do in your academic school life. It mainly matters on what you want to do and how you go about getting there. Because at the end of the day, what I learned is that you don't always have to be prepared at the start to do what you want to do in the future.
The guys here know a lot of engineering principles and they're applying them to the rockets they're building. Hopefully this will inspire them for future employment within the engineering sector.
I applied for Space Camp because I thought it would be interesting and it can help you in the future if you know more about your planet.
Absolutely fantastic to see the children engaging through electronics, through to the discussion that we've just had this evening. We're Ask an Expert. It's to see their faces light up as they've actually fixed a problem, or they've had one of the questions that they've been too nervous to ask answered. It's absolutely inspirational for them, and I can see their faces light up, which is fantastic for us.
So we're on the balloon chase now. We've launched this morning those 3 altitude balloons, and right now I've got a coach load of children behind me and we're chasing this balloon. The balloon's popped at about 23,500 metres and it's just on its way down now. So at the moment the prediction is that it'll come in around Birmingham. Kids are really excited. We've just received our first image back.
So big thanks to the high impact staff because of how they helped us, what they'd done, making everyone was okay at all times and making sure everyone was safe and well during everything.
This week has been absolutely wonderful. High Impact have managed the delivery of this course from start to finish with utter professionalism, and the activities that they have been able to provide for us, such as the high altitude balloon launch, are exactly what we want to use to inspire the next generation of engineers.
Space camp's been amazing, it's been hectic, I've done so much and met so many new friends.
This week has been one of the best experiences of my whole entire life, and I've got to meet new people and make new friends and come out of my comfort zone.
Yeah, well, it has been quite inspiring for me because I was planning on joining the RAF already, but now I want to do it even more.
This week has been the best week at Space Camp because I've made so many new friends and I've learned things about space that I didn't know even included.
I didn't think that I would be able to go out of my comfort zone so much, and I'm just really grateful that I had the opportunity to come to Space Camp and have all of these amazing experiences.
This has been the best week of my life and I'll never forget it.
I would say just keep persevering to succeed. Always persevere. There will be many setbacks along the way, but as long as you have that grit and determination to just keep going, then you should always succeed.
Remember why you wanted to do it, and even if you have those moments where you get your results and they're not quite what you expected, or you have that moment of should I really go for mechanical engineering? Think back to this moment when you told everybody in here, I'm going to be a mechanical engineer.